Welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating a realistic AI avatar for free. Let's begin with step 1. Choose a free AI avatar creation tool. There are several free tools available, including Ready Player Me, which allows you to create cross-platform avatars, Photor, offering AI-based avatar creation, and MyIdol, which provides three-dimensional avatar creation based on photos. Moving on to step 2. Gather the necessary resources. Make sure you have a clear photo of yourself or the person for whom you're creating the avatar and a computer or smartphone with internet access. Now step 3. Create your avatar. We'll use Ready Player Me as an example. First, visit the Ready Player Me website. Then, start creating by clicking on Create Avatar. Upload a clear photo of yourself. The tool will use this photo to generate a realistic avatar. Customize it by adjusting the features, hairstyle, clothing, and other details to match your preferences. Once satisfied, save your avatar. You can also export it for use in various virtual environments or social media. Step 4 is optional. Enhance your avatar. You can use additional tools like Photor for adding more artistic effects or GIMP, a free open-source image editor for fine-tuning. Finally, step 5. Use your avatar. You can now use your AI avatar in applications such as social media profiles, virtual meetings, and online classes in video games and VR platforms.